Yes, sir. Protein skimmer running. The tank is up, running. This is what it's looking like right now. We got a couple fish. Rock is getting cured. Two Zoas. And some more Zoas. Long way to go, but restarted. Running okay. Started look pretty decent. On the bottom we got pump filter shock. And 20 gallon long sump going. But looks like all the fish and everybody else is happy in there. Can't wait till everything gets all good and running perfectly.